I'm going to show you how to make a few minor adjustments to this rod. And the first thing I'm going to do is take off the end cap using the Allen wrench, and there's a little set screw there. I'm going to show you how to use a ripple holder as a drapery return on this decorative rod. So the ripple holder is made to hold out the shape when it's in the rod for a wave drapery, but it also has this projection that goes to the wall. So we're going to use that for the return. So I have to cut away all this front part, which I've already done on one piece. So you can see I've cut that away. And you could just use wire cutters to do that. And I'm going to insert that in the track. There's the carrier that goes in the track. There's a stop in there already. I'm not going to screw that in yet. The stop will prevent this from pulling with the drapery because we want that to be stationary. And then I need one more carrier in place. So I'm going to tighten all that after I put the end cap on. And here comes the end cap. And we'll tighten that. And now I'm going to tighten that stop screw. The ripple holders, which we're going to now call a return holder, come in different colors to match your hardware and your carriers. And now I can install the drapery. And I have the drapery pins. You can add as many extra pins across here as you want to make it stable, but I have one and that's fine. I'm going to put the front pin in first, come around and insert the other pin in that last hole, and then continue putting on the drapery. These are the rolling carriers and they're just going to glide across so easily. So I want to add a baton, and I'm going to show you two options for that. One is really simple. You just snap the baton into the first carrier and then put your pin hook back in, and then you'll be able to pull back and forth from that. Your baton is pulling that carrier. If you want a baton on the front, most likely for a commercial application, then use an extra carrier and hook your baton on the front. And then you can operate with a visible baton that people will see so they will not grab your fabric. So you can do a baton on the front or on the back. So that's a hidden baton.